Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can customize or select the only people who can view your notes on Messenger. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to customize who can view your notes on Messenger, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Messenger. After you opened your Messenger, you can now make your Messenger notes by tapping this. And then just enter whatever you want to say on your notes. And now that you're done entering, I will now show you how you can select the people who can view this Messenger notes that you will post. So to do that, I want you to tap on the Change Audience option at the bottom. And then go and select Custom. After selecting Custom, tap this. And right here, you will now see all your friends on Messenger, so just select the people who you want to see the notes you will upload. And once you're done selecting, you can now tap Apply. And then tap Save to completely save your changes. And after that, the note that you will upload will now be set to be seen only by the people you've selected, so you can now upload it. And then your notes will now be finally uploaded, and the only one who will see it are the people you've selected earlier. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.